Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. Now, I've recently been seeing some recipes that said brining chicken in pickle juice and brining chicken in jalapeno juice. And I've never done that before, I've never tasted it. So I kind of figured, well, I have some chicken thighs, I have pickle juice, I have jalapenos. So what I did last night, it has been exactly 12 hours, and I put 2 chicken thighs in pickle juice, and right here I have jalapeno juice. It has been 12 hours. Pickle juice and jalapeno juice. Very interesting. Now, the difference between a marinade and a brine, when you marinate something, it's usually in sauces and all that seeps into your chicken and gives it a good flavor. When you brine usually in like salt or vinegar, which is the pickle juice. These are vinegar and salt flavors, and it creates a lot of tenderness to your chicken. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cook these and then I'm gonna do a taste test. So here's my chicken, you guys, okay? So I'm gonna keep it real. All I'm going to do is add a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt and pepper to both sides. And then I'm going to fry this. I'm going to fry it, and I think it'll keep most of the real flavors of the pickle and the jalapeno juice. Okay, so let me do the other side. So this is what I have going on here. I have two frying pans. I just coated the bottom with a little bit of oil. This is the pickle one. And right here, here's the jalapeno. I'm gonna fry it on a medium-low heat, slightly under the medium. So you cook your chicken until it's done. And the internal temperature is 165. The best way to tell is to buy yourself one of these meat thermometers. You stick it in there, and it goes up to 165, and you're done. So here's my chicken, the jalapeno, and the pickle. So I'm gonna get my husband to help me do a taste test. Okay, so we got our chicken in front of us. It's my husband. We're gonna give our real opinion on what it tastes like. Pickle brined chicken and jalapeno juice brined chicken. So neither one of us has ever had, this before, any chicken like this.
Let's try this one first.
Okay, we're gonna try the jalapeno brined chicken first.
And it looks delicious, so I'm gonna go.
Looks good.
I'm gonna go first.
It's been.
Well, you can go. Yeah.
It's been brining for 12 hours. That's a long time.
And this is the jalapeno one, right?
Mm-hmm. Has a really good flavor.
I like it.
And I mean, do you taste it like jalapeno?
No, I don't.
Just a really good flavor, but it doesn't taste spicy.
Don't taste spicy, but it has a good flavor.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, that's the jalapeno. It has a really good flavor. I don't taste it spicy though, like jalapeno.
No.
I'm surprised about that. Okay, so here's the pickle. Here's the pickle. Which one? This one.
Okay, let me get a little piece here. Okay, I'll wait for you.
Okay.
Pickle one.
Pickle.
They're both very good, but this one, for some reason, I like it a little better. Just a little. I mean,
They're both really good. This tastes more.
I can't taste the pickle in it either. It just has a. I don't know.
I don't even know what flavor that is. It doesn't taste like a pickle. It's not tart. It has a real good flavor.
Huh.
I'm really surprised.
But it has a different flavor from that.
It's very different.
from the jalapeno one, but it has, to me, this is the pickle one.
A little bit of a stronger flavor, kind of.
Yeah.
Kind of a stronger flavor, but I can't really say it tastes like pickle.
No, and neither we could say it tastes like jalapeno.
That doesn't taste like jalapeno either, but it's very good. They're very good.
But it's a very good taste.
And all I put was a little bit of salt and pepper. That's all I added, and then I fried them.
Well, Rosie cooks. You did a good job. I mean,
This
oh
is
man,
good.
This is very good.
They're very good. Very good.
Yeah.
A very good way to make your chicken.
And I recommend it to anyone that wants to try it because it does give a good flavor.
And who doesn't always have leftover pickle juice in your pickle
Jar.
Yeah. So, okay, so this is how to brine your chicken with pickle juice using jalapeno juice, and
I'm telling you, this is
this
really
is very,
good.
very tasty.
Very good.
It really is. This is the first time I ever tasted it.
Yeah.
First time he ever tasted it.
And give Rosie Cooks a thumbs up on this one because this was delicious.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
Please subscribe. Yes, do what he says. Give me a thumbs up. It does make these videos circulate.
And I hardly get on her videos and she wanted me to taste them, but
Okay.
this is delicious.
Okay. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.